Hello and welcome to this item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to do auto order dispatch. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the automation for Outbound. You need to go to Automation and Order Filter. The first thing you have to do is add an order filter. Here are the supported search fields. You can pick whatever you want to filter all the orders in. For example, we can filter the orders by status or by types and status. Select Import, Committed, and Open. For order type, just select whatever type you want to filter. If you want, you can select more than one or two search fields. And then create a name and save. Once you've created the order filter, then you're going to set up the order dispatch setting. Add dispatch setting. Input a name, and select the order filter you just created. Here you have multiple options that you can select based on your warehouse requirements. The maximum order you can group into one dispatch is 10. The minimum is 1. The default pick way you can put for this particular order filter is going to be either order pick or batch order pick. You can set the task priority and also the default pick type. Here you have the option to select a default assignee or have it auto-assigned to any order picker. If you turn on the settings. For pick mode, we currently support pick by tote cart, pick by grouping LP and general process. Once you're done, click on Save. The last step is to set up the auto schedule. Create a custom schedule, input a schedule name, and select the dispatch settings and the days you want to run the dispatch. The time range is based on 24 hours. If your hours start at 8 o'clock, select 8 o'clock. Set the time you want the schedule to stop, like when the warehouse closes. For example, stop picking at 5 o'clock. Stop a minute means how soon you want to run each dispatch. If you want to run every hour, select 60 minutes and save. Right now, the auto dispatch setting is going to run from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock every single Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, and it will run every 60 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.